Hello to all my middle school art students. Today we're going to be drawing a tiger. So I did this picture. I'm going to show you how to draw this picture. So we're going to work on this together. What you're going to need is a pencil, piece of paper, a black marker, a red marker, a orange marker, or you can use colored pencils or crayons, whatever you have available. So get your supplies together and we'll get started. Alright, hello again. If you're ready, we'll get started. First of all, you want to turn your paper the long way in front of you. And again, this is the picture that we're going to make here of a tiger head. It looks really complicated, but it's not that bad. So we're just going to do it step by step. Follow along with me. If I get ahead of you, you can pause your video, you can rewind it, you can start over if you need to. Good luck and we'll get started. Alright, what we want to do is kind of a little bit above the middle of the paper right here, we're going to draw two lines that are going to be kind of like the eyebrows for our tiger. So maybe about 2 or 3 fingers apart right here, and just draw these two lines to start with. Alright, under those we're going to draw a curve. So 1, 2, okay, and all right, then inside that we're going to draw an oval shape for the eye, one there, and oval right here. Okay, now I'm going to color this in all except one little spot. I'm going to leave a little reflection in the eye. On each side. Okay. Alright, you got that? Alright, we're going to go down here. We're going to draw the nose. So right here in the middle, I'm going to draw kind of a rounded heart shape for the nose. Alright, so there's the nose. And then we're going to draw the nostrils, and you can color those in. And it's okay if things aren't exactly like mine, because all tigers are different and none are the same, right? Alright, right under the nose here, we're going to go with the straight line down. We're going to show the mouth. So we're going to do a straight line and then kind of a little bit of a curve out this way and a curve out this way. Alright, then down below that right here, under the nose, we're going to draw his teeth. So we're going to draw 2 sharp pointy teeth. 1, 2. Like that. Alright, then we're going to connect together here with a curved line. Like this. It's going to show his gum. And then we're going to do some pointy teeth in the middle here. So we go like this. Across there. Alright. Alright, so we're going to come back up here. Well, actually, yeah, we're going to go back up here. So what we want to do is we're going to make him look like he's got his mouth open. So we're going to have his mouth open down here. But we want to make him look really wrinkly. So what we want to do is draw a curve on this side. And then we're going to go out and do another curve like that. And then another curve up this way, like that. Okay, and then we're going to go over on the other side. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do 3. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, got that? All right, now right here under the eye, we're going to draw a line right here. So we're going to do one line right here. And we're going to do the one line right here. So the head is pretty symmetrical. So whatever we do kind of on one side, we're also going to do on the other side. All right, we're also going to take this line right here and go right above it and just draw another line that kind of curves down like that. Do that on both sides. And then this is going to curve around right here, connect back down to the bottom here. All right, and then this part is going to get pointed right here. Point there, point right here. Okay, and then he needs like a little, to make him look a little more angry, I guess. We're going to do a little triangle shape right here, like that. And a little triangle shape right here like this. Okay, now we want this part of his muzzle to connect up above his eyes here. So we're going to do some smaller little U shapes right here. One, these should all connect. Two, all right, so I'm going to do two there. And on this side I only have room for one, so I'm going to just do one right there. All right, and we're going to also do some right up here. So we're going to go 1, 2, so it's kind of like a letter M. All right, that's going to connect right here. And then right here, 1, 2, kind of connect to that. All right, y'all got catching up, keeping up with that? All right, we're going to come down here. We're going to draw the tongue in his mouth. So right below his teeth right here, kind of in the middle, we're going to do a shape that goes like this. Up, down, right there. Okay. All right, and then we're going to start right here. We're going to draw a U shape like this. That's going to be part of his tongue. All right, and then we're going to connect it like this. So it kind of makes it look three-dimensional. All right, so he got his tongue there. All right, down below here, we're going to draw a line under this for his bottom jaw. So watch this line. I'm going to go down, I'm going to go across, and then back up on this side right here. All right, and then right in here, we're going to draw some more teeth. So we're going to draw a pointy tooth here, and then one right here. All right, and then in between, we're going to draw the sharp pointy teeth again. Okay, give him some pointy teeth. All right, we need to draw the bottom of his mouth here, so we're going to kind of go down, around, and then connect back up at the top there. All right, so we got that much done. All right, now we're going to go back up here on the top of his head, and you're going to draw a big U shape that goes across the top of his head. It's going to look kind of funny at first, but it'll look better as we go along. So start a little bit below the eye right here. We're going to go around and over to about this side right here. So just start about that location, and we're going to go around, and then stop right there on the other side. Okay, straight across. All right, so now he looks funny, but anyway. All right, right here in the middle, we're going to do a little stripe right here at the top. And if you have your black marker, you can color that in, but we'll go back and do that later. All right, I need an ear on this side. So we're going to kind of right above the eye right here, we're going to do an S shape like that. And then we're going to do a curve down like this. Okay, and then we're going to show the inside of the ear. And that's kind of furry, so you can do a little bit of a zigzag to it. Go out here, like that. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side, right above the eye here. We're going to do an S curve out. And then back down, like that. All right, and then kind of make it look furry. Right there. Okay, from here we're going to go down like that. Down like that. Okay, so now what we need to do is connect the head down here to the jaw, but we're going to do that with a zigzaggy line because they're furry. So we're going to go down. You can do this, however you want to, and make it look real jagged. Same thing on this side. I'm going to come down. And connect right there. All right. Now, tigers, they have this beard down at the bottom, so hopefully y'all can see that. So right here we're gonna draw some more fur coming out and kind of get down to a point right here, and then do the same thing on this side. So it kind of has a beard like Mr. Lloyd. All right, and then we'll go back inside and just kind of double that up a little bit. Okay, now our tiger, he needs some stripes. So what we're gonna do is add some stripes on the sides here and also up on his head. So what we wanna do is like a lightning bolt line, like a zigzag line that looks like a lightning bolt. And just start kind of up here beside the eye, and we're gonna come down like that and just kind of stop right when you get near the mouth. All right, and then we're going to double that line up. So I'm going to go just kind of go right beside it, like that. All right, we're going to do the same thing on this side. Draw a zigzag line down here. Kind of stop when you get near the mouth. And then double that line up. Okay, and then we're going to add another one right here. So another zigzaggy line. Kind of going in toward the mouth. Double that up. You're going to do it over here. Double that line up. I think my Sharpie's getting run out. I need to get another one. Okay, then we need some up here at the top of his head. So we're going to do another lightning bolt that's up here on top of his head. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. And then double that up. So it's thick. I'm going to do one on this side over here. Okay, and then double that up. All right, I'm going to do a little smaller, shorter one right here. And then one on this side. And then double that one up. Okay. And then just a little like V shape right here on each side. And then double that up. Alright, down here at the bottom, we're going to add a little point right there, a little point right here. Alright, and then all of this kind of connects together right here, like this. So we're just going to draw kind of a line right here, but we're going to end up coloring this in, so it'll be okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take your marker or your pencil, and we're going to just draw sort of a line around the outside to double this up. So just kind of trace around your tiger and follow the line all the way around here. So you get to right here, and we're going to stop. All right, we're going to also go around the ear, and this one you can make it look a little rough around the edges. Alright, and then the same up here on the top, you can kind of give it a little bit of a zigzag to it. Alright, and then go around the edge here. A little zigzaggy coming down. Go around this side. Okay, connect back down there. Alright, we're also going to do that right here around the muzzle. We're going to double that up a little bit, make it thicker. Okay. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to get your black marker. And we're going to color in all these stripes here. So I'll speed this up, but you're just going to color all these in. So you can pause the video, catch up when I'm done coloring. Okay, so this is how it looks when everything is colored in with the black. And you can kind of go up here a little bit. This. A little bit there. Okay. All right, so that's all the black. All right, so what you would need next is you're going to need orange. So we're going to do all the orange. And you can see there's kind of a line right here that kind of comes around right here on both sides. And then sort of right here along the edge. Like that. Alright, so everything above that line is going to be orange, and then everything below except right here will be white. So this is going to be orange here. Alright, so I'm going to color in all the orange, and then you can take a look at it and you can start working on that yourself. Okay, so that is all the orange colored in. Alright, the next color you'll need is a little bit of red to color in the tongue.
Color that in. And then
a little bit of yellow for the eyes. If you want to make your eyes a different color, if you want to do them blue or green or something like that, you can do that. That's up to you, but I'm going to do mine yellow. And then you're done. All you need to do is sign your name at the bottom. Alright, when you're done drawing your tiger, I'd like you to post your finished result on Seesaw so I can see what you did. Alright, have fun. See ya.